Alright, my peeps, is 420. Happy 420 for 2021. Alright, so it's 1:05 p.m. Alright, so let me show you guys. So on the 16th, 4 days ago, I went to LA Garden Supply and I got a couple things so I could brew. This specifically for I could brew my teas. Alright, and the cool thing is that so I went and I got these 3 items um, so I could start brewing some teas, right? And in that process I ended up getting for free a couple of items. So this bag is for me. So Merry Chris, the employer. Look, let me see. So look, you see her name, Merry Chris. She gave me this bag. So she made this bag for me, okay? And it's a bunch of free items. And we're gonna see what we got inside, okay? So let's open it up and see what we got for free. My bad. Let's back this up a little bit. First thing, we got some DynoMyco. 3.5 ounces, 100 grams. It was manufactured this year, February 16. Oh no, that's the expiration date, my bad. February 16, 2022. But yeah, so I'm gonna check these guys out in all these social media platforms and check out the videos and everything. I haven't heard of this company. I think they're new. Yeah, look, established 2018. Yeah, so a new company. Alright, we'll see what's up. Mycorrhizal inoculants. Alright, so that's one item. Then we got plant therapy. What is this? 2 ounce. Just a little sample. Oh, that's cool, right? That's 2. And 3, we got some PureCrop1, nanotechnology, biostimulant. Alright, my peeps. So I like the bottle. I like the design. Alright, so that's 3. 4. Some MaxMicrobe sample, 4 ounce. Cool. Yeah, I got at the microbes. Sorry about this one. This one is 2 ounces and it creates 2 gallons. Cool. 2 gallons of. So this is for pest control. This one for your integrated pest management, your IPM regimen. This is for your IPM regimen as well. This is at microbes, soil biology. Microbes, soil biology. Alright, so that's 4. Now 5th. Some mammoth can control. Fungicide and insecticide. Yep. This is for your IPM as well. You can incorporate it, include it in your regimen. So there you go, man. I got all these for free. So this should definitely take care of any pests in combination with all of these. Alright, so, oh, wait, I still got another one. And some enzymes. I don't, enzymatic formula. Cool. So enzymes from Canada. It's a new product. From 2014. They have their number, website, email. Cool, so this is what, 45 milliliters, 1.52 floor ounces. Right here. Sorry for the blurriness. But yeah, repeat. So I got all of these for free. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items from LA Garden Supply. It's not bad because all of these are going to help me with my microbes and then my IPM. Let's put everything back. Alright, my peeps. Peace, love, and health. That's part of the health. Healthy crop, healthy harvest, healthy everything. Alright, laters.